Hello friends, Akash here from the Solution and welcome back to another video. This video's tutorial is about how you can fix red exclamation mark on Airpods. If you face the problem with the red exclamation point either on the left or right side of your Airpods, although the error obviously shows that there is something wrong with the Airpods, Apple doesn't have any official document for this error on their support page. If you are receiving this error, these are some of the problems you will notice the Airpods have. Airpod will not transmit sound, microphone will not work, low volume on affected Airpod when working, no audio pausing capability when removing Airpods from ear. Keep watching these videos till the end. Every process is an importance. Apple Airpod is one of the best and reliable products. I also, as a Airpod users, me also face the same issue is that at least me 5 times out of 10 when I take my Airpod out of the case and put on ears and works perfectly. But unfortunately, no product is perfect. Most of the users have that issues on connectivity. Especially on Airpod 2 and Airpods Pro users, this problem actually occurs when on Airpods drop the connection or stop working altogether for some unknown reason. If you face that bug, don't be panic. I will show you the best steps that helps you to resolve the issues. Before we start, if you visit us first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notification whenever we share a new video. First, open up the setting app on your iOS device and tap on Bluetooth setting menu. See the Airpod name in the list of the device. Tap on the eye icon. Then select the Forget This Device from this. Will unpair or disconnect the Airpod from the iOS devices. Place both Airpods back into the charging case and find the small button on the back of the case. Open up the top and press and hold that button on the back of the charging case around 12 to 15 seconds. The internal flash white and then amber indicating means that is completely reset state. Now connect the Airpods to the iOS device. Long connection of Airpods to an iOS device makes some errors on Bluetooth connectivity. If above all the process are doing and problem still remains, you can try setting, general, reset and then select reset network setting. And follow all the process that I mentioned previous on the videos. Reset the Airpods and iPhone setting, fix the connectivity issue and you will able to use both Airpods at the same time again. Drop your comments below if that method is working. or if you have any alternative solution that helps the users to find the solution with group conversation. These are all the above processes that you can fix Airpod not working problems. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with the friends. Hello everyone, Akash from the Thegsmsolution. Peace out till the next time. After doing all the process, if the problem still remains, make sure that your Airpods firmware is up to date or updated. The latest version of the Airpods update is 2D15. That update is to fix that issue. To update Airpods, connect Airpods to power source, confirm both Airpods on charging case and connected to the iOS devices. Leave above 15 minutes. There is no any physical job you have to do for that update. This method automatically updates the firmware version of Airpods to the latest version.